lives down in deepest, darkest Africa.
Once upon a
princess.
The animals in Kimba's jungle were threatened by a strange enemy.
Oh God, somebody farted!
Ah, it stinks!
We should not rule out the predator having been the farter.
It all began one night as the animals were peacefully sleeping. A sweet perfume filled the air of the jungle. Kimba was dreaming happy dreams of his father, the great Caesar.
Lion's claw, the invincible might of Rome. Like the talons of the falcon, it is closed upon every single...
The falcon now?
Then suddenly, Kimba's dreams changed to nightmares.
I was just looking for the sports channel, Gary.
Rick, I said flowers, not showers.
Excuse me, Your Highness. I'm still breaking in my new wand.
That's Cedric, our royal sorcerer. He comes from a long line of royal sorcerers, so we're stuck with him.
This bitch!
Child, watch where your doors.
Mr. Cedric!
I should be out slaying
British?
battling.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Enough!
Oh, how could I have missed it? After all these years, I can't believe the annual battle was right.
Yes. Now, all I have to do is pry it from the princess, and I'll finally have the power to take over the kingdom.
Rage, fury, irritation.
Princess Sophia! Oh, how was your first day of school, my dear? Oh, poor thing. Well then.
Oh, Mr. Cedric. Hi.
It's Cedric.
May I come in?
Must you? What is it?
Remember how you said if I ever needed any help?
Of course I remember. I was the one who said it.
Well, I was wondering, do you have a spell that can make me a good dancer? It's for the ball tonight. I don't want to look silly in front of everyone.
I'll tell you tomorrow.
Hey! Is this the way?
My sniffer's never made a mistake yet. I guess it did make a mistake.
We went in a circle.
There must be something wrong with my nose today. Maybe a cold. Ah! Shoot!
Careful. I'm contagious.
What is it?
I don't know. Looks like
It's a case of danger!
Look, Kimba, the lightning destroyed the front.
we were lucky. That was a menace.
Yeah.
Huh? Who's that?
Cedric.
The perfume from the glitch caused a riot among the animals.
I can use its magic to take over the kingdom. Finally!
Out of my way! Out of my way! Can't you see he's gonna destroy us all?
So, you like kicking butts, do ya? Well, we'll show you, old man!